todos, que tal? Soy Fe, bienvenido a mi canal. So this video I actually received quite a few Olaplex products and I'm really excited to share with you guys. I have been on this recent journey to try to repair my broken hair due to taking pantothenic acid. So I want to be making sure that I'm using like the best hair care products to make sure that I am retaining my length, and the Olaplex is supposed to help with healing the bond of the hair to make sure that I am retaining the length that I need to. I actually did a video trying out the Olaplex trial set, so if you haven't seen that video, make sure you check it out. I'll have it linked up here and down below. Pero bueno, nada más a decir, pero vamos a empezar. So first I want to show you guys the products that I got. The first one is the number 0, which is the intensive bond building hair treatment, and this is like the pre-poo treatments. Then I got the number 3, which if you guys saw my last video, I swear by the number 3. After that, I have the number 4, which is the bond maintenance shampoo. And then the number 5, which is the bond maintenance conditioner. And then I have the number 6, which is the bond smoother. And this one I'm really excited to try because I wanted to try this last time I tried the Olaplex products, but it is the number 7 bonding oil. First, going to start off with the number 0, which is the pre-poo treatment. And the directions for this one says to apply number 0 to dry hair, saturate from root to tip, leave on the hair for 10 minutes, do not rinse, apply a generous amount of number 3 perfector to saturate the hair, and wait another 10 minutes. And if you are new to my channel, I do have heat trained hair, meaning that I use heat to help me grow and maintain my hair. So right now my hair is dry. I haven't done it in like 2 weeks. And I got it wet a couple days ago and I just never blow dried it out or anything. So, and I forgot to mention what the number 0 actually does. So it's supposed to prime, repair, and strengthen the hair, and it's best used when you have the number 3. I'm just going to start off with putting it in my scalp, massaging it with my fingers. Then I'm just going to run it through my hair. I'm just going to squeeze the bottle and do zigzag shapes, making sure to get my ends. Okay, so I'm all finished getting this through my hair, and I've only used this much, surprisingly. It felt like I used a lot more than that. What I did like about the bottle with squeezing it and getting the liquid out is that a very thin, I don't know if you can see, like a very thin amount of liquid comes out, so it's not spilling all over the place. You have a little bit more control over where it goes. You don't feel like you're wasting too much of the product. So I usually have shower caps and I can't find one, so I'm just gonna put my hair in a plastic bag, let it sit for 10 minutes, and then I'll be back to put in the number 3. So that has sat in my hair for 10 minutes, and now I'm going to go ahead and take the number 3. And you're supposed to apply it to damp hair, so my hair is damp. So I'm just going to saturate my hair from the root to the tips. Okay, so I got that all through my hair, and I used only half the bottle. I was surprised. I thought I was going to use like the whole thing, but I didn't need all that. So I can use it for a second time. And the really great thing about Olaplex is that you don't need heat to activate it. You guys know I always use my hooded dryer whenever I put any type of conditioner or treatment in my hair, but I don't need to do so for the Olaplex because it is that intensive where it penetrates through your bonds. And I'm going to let this sit on my hair for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to go ahead and shampoo and condition it. So as far as shampooing goes, I shampooed my hair twice. I use a quarter size amount of shampoo each time, and then the shampoo is supposed to help repair and hydrate and also add shine to help manage your hair. It's made without sulfates, parabens, or gluten, so it's vegan and color safe. So after I used the number 4 to shampoo, I went ahead and used the number 5, and surprisingly I didn't even have to use that much because my hair was already very manageable and soft due to the pre-poo treatment that I did with the number 0 and the number 3. But the number 5 helps to restore, repair, and hydrate the hair without adding excess weight. It also eliminates damage and frizz for strong, healthy looking and shiny hair. So I left the conditioner in for like a good 10 minutes, and then I washed it all out and I was ready for the next step. Alright, so I got that all rinsed out of my hair. My hair feels really soft. I'm gonna take my Conair powder brush and just comb through, or brush through I should say. And I love this one because it's a wide tooth one, so it makes it easier for me to detangle my hair before I start blow drying it. The next thing I'm going to use is the Bond Smoother. It's the number 6. You can use this on wet or dry hair, and it's used to strengthen, nourish, and moisturize, speeds up the blow dry time while smoothing, and reduces frizz and flyaways for up to 72 hours. You're just going to apply a small amount, which is good because I don't want to have to put a lot on there and then have it weigh down my hair. So I'm just going to use a dime size amount on my whole head. Oh, this stuff smells so good. This smells like a orangey, citrusy, I don't know, it smells like a really expensive perfume. And I'm just going to part my hair into 4 sections to make sure that I am getting everything blow dried nicely. And I'm going to use my Infinity by Conair blow dryer. I'm so ready to try a new one. There's nothing wrong with this one. I just want to try a new one because I've had this one for so long. I'm going to put this on the hottest setting in the highest heat, and let's see if this actually is going to speed up some blow dry time. I got my hair all blow dried out, and surprisingly the number 6 actually sped up the blow dry time like a lot. And last, I'm going to try the number 7, the one I'm most excited about. This one you're just going to apply a small amount to damper dry hair, and this is going to help with boosting shine, strengthening, and repairing your hair as well. I'm going to do 2 drops. And this one smells like the number 6. It smells so good. I wonder if you can use this on your body, because I would definitely use this on my body as a scent. What I'm actually going to do now is flat iron my hair. I'm going to do it off camera, so when I finish I'll get back on here and then show you guys the results. Alright, so I have my hair all flat ironed out, and I added some little curls in here. But my hair feels really soft. It feels very healthy, and I am obsessed with their line. My favorite out of the bunch though is the number 0 and the number 3 combined. And then the number 7, which is the oil. I think it just smells really good, and it gives my hair a really nice smell so I don't smell that flat iron smell to my hair. But bueno, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll have the products linked down below. You can get Olaplex from Sephora or Olaplex.com. Pero bueno, hasta el video próximo.